Hello, boy. Good morning. Gising ka na. Are you ready for your school? Are you ready for the first day of your school? Boy. Ay, gising na rin yun. Gising ka na rin natin. It's not your school.
Morning, my love.
Hello, Ziki. Ate.
This is the day of
Ziki.
day of school.
Excited ka na mag-school? Can I see Ziki? Ang pangit naman niya. Ay, excited na siya. Oh. Saan yung school mo? Taekwondo!
Morning.
Morning.
Morning. Dito nagdako.
Hello, boy. Excited ka na? Pumasok! First day of school! Huwag ka muna pumasok! Sino kaya mga klase mo? Sino yung magiging teacher mo? Hey, para relax siya, mami, oh. Para relax pa siya, oh.
Okay. Ano? Okay na to, no?
What's your ID?
Sige, ko na.
Wow!
Nakakita iyo ba?
Na?
Nakakita iyo ba?
Opo. Wow! Tara, picture ka dun. Ay, ganda naman ang bag niya yan, ha? Ganda ng bag niya. Anong bag mo? Na? Pati tumbler mo, oh.
My supplies is called trees.
All space. Wow. Ay, pati tumbler mo. Wow.
My bag is
Notebook mo. Your notebooks space din. Pati ano mo, lunchbox.
That box is
Anong baan mo today?
biscuit
Biscuit and
orange.
orange. Okay. Excited ka, boy? Wala, excited ka?
Come boy. Go, Ziki. Go inside, Noor niya po yung bilisan niya. Go! Lakad, baka bilis. Ziki! Ziki! Come on! Ayan, that's the room. Okay, put it there. Bye-bye. Dito lang muna kami. Vicky, bye. Have fun.
Vicky, I love you.
Yeah, just school, boy. Boy, first day of school, pawis ka na.
Ano
Ah.
yung nakita?
Ah,
Oh, no ka na na exams.
Hindi ko na mag-aral.
boy. Boy, dami mong kaklase, boy, ah. Oh, yan pala yung kaklase mo. Oh,
Mag-aral. Exam na kami Tatlo.
dami yung kaklase mo.
Ang hirap ko ng review. Buti nakapasado. Ako din, pasado din.
What did you do in school? Did you tell your name to teacher?
Yes.
What did you say?
My name is Azikaya. Tapos sabi ni teacher sa akin, anong nickname ko? Sabi niya, ba ka nickname? Sabi ko, ako po. Tapos sabi ni teacher, what is your nickname? I say Ziki. Tapos, what the fuck?
Kumanta?
Tapos, kumain.
And then, nag-color.
Yes.
What did you sing?
Alam mo yung sing niya?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't remember any?
I don't know the song.
You don't know that song?
What did you sing?
Nag-color ba kayo?
Yeah.
What did you color? Kita lang?
Yes.
Galing ng color niyo, di oh. There's bag, there's book, there's crayon. Ayan.
Yeah, the colors of the rainbow. Di ba the first color of the rainbow? Red, tapos color ko naman orange, tapos color ko naman yellow, tapos green, blue, purple. Di ba yun yung mga colors sa rainbow?
Yeah, it's color of the rainbow.
Happy birthday, Hannah! Happy birthday, Hannah! May ginagawa lang si Daddy.
Oo, tsaka
Happy
kanina sa
birthday.
school, hinintay namin si Kiel, si Kuya Angelo, si Elijah, si
Si Kuya
Jems ang wala.
Happy birthday, Hannah!
Si Kuya Angelo.